Welcome to Farmsteading with Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and my channel focuses on the simple joys of country living. Join me as I take you on a journey and show you how to embrace the beauty of nature, gardening, preserving food, baking, raising chickens, creating your own household and hygiene products, and so much more for both family and sale.
Growing up as an Okie girl from Oklahoma, my parents taught us kids two things. Number one, to always keep Jesus in our heart. Number two is just to enjoy the simple things in life. So naturally, I brought all the things that I learned from my childhood and brought it into my household. So sit back and enjoy my channel and just keep life country simple. Welcome to Farmsteading with Susie's Secret Recipes. And so guys, it's been a while since I have actually done a full video. Right before Christmas, I know I was extremely busy getting orders out, and that was a very busy time for me. But also, my YouTube channel has been under construction for quite some time, trying to get things ready for the new year. I've changed a lot of things, my intro video, and changing the way that I'm going to be doing some things with my YouTube channel and my business as well. I've got it set up to where I'm going to be doing a full video on Susie's Secret Recipes, which would be consisting of either gardening tips, canning tips, baking, raising chickens, anything farmsteading or homesteading related. I'm going to be doing a lot of how-to videos, sharing with you what I do every single day and what my life looks like every single day, which is really, really busy. Right now we have really cold weather, and we've had about probably 6 or 7 inches of snow, and it's been on the ground since Friday, and it's still we haven't gotten above freezing, so you can only imagine what that looks like. And getting out, taking care of my animals during this cold snap. I know my chickens don't like it when it gets like this, and so they like to hover inside their coop. But I noticed today they were venturing out, enjoying the sun. The sun is beginning to come out, even though we're still not above freezing. At least it feels a little warmer than what it has been. And so my videos will consist of just my everyday life and then how-to videos on Wednesdays at 4 p.m. Then on Saturdays at 10, I'm going to be doing a series that involves my mother. It's going to be called Memories and Stories from the Past. And she's going to be telling stories of her childhood, my dad's childhood, and then their parents and great-grandparents, and just really interesting stories. I've heard them before, but I love to hear them, and I thought this would be a great series to do because a lot of people like to hear about the old times, and I definitely do. And so that'll be on Saturdays at 10 a.m. And then I'll be doing a lot of shorts in between. And I have a lot of other things going on in my life right now. So Richard and I this year will be doing some remodeling of the house. We're going to do new flooring. Our house was built in 1970, so I mean it's just probably around my age, and and so some of the things need to be updated. I want to keep it like an old look to it, so I'm kind of picky about what we're going to be using. But I do know I will need new flooring, and I want some new countertops. And the kitchen was, cabinets were painted probably, about a year ago. So they're in sage green. I definitely like my kitchen cabinets. And my bathroom has been remodeled. And so we just need to do another bathroom. My craft room needs a little repair on it. And other than that, that's probably about it. But it's going to be, quite a lot when you think about putting new flooring all through your house. You got to move everything, and so it's going to be quite involved. And I'm not looking forward to that part, but it's something that needs to be done. So that'll be something that I will be sharing with you as we do some remodeling. We also have to put in a new picket fence outside because we had a tornado that came through about maybe 3 weeks ago, which is very strange for January. I mean, Oklahoma, we're known for our tornadoes, but this was one that was early, and it done some damage. It damaged our neighbor's barn. Done a lot of damage to it, but it just hit our picket fence, which we feel really blessed that, we didn't have any more damage other than that. But it's got to be repaired. So there's a lot of things that we're going to be doing inside and outside. I don't know about our screened-in porch just yet. That may be something I do later on. I thought about turning it into a sunroom, and so we'll see what happens there. But there's a lot of other things inside that takes priority over that right now. And so I love my little farm home, and doesn't take a whole lot to please me. I'm just an old country girl. I don't want to change a whole lot to it, but I know there's some things that needs to be kind of updated and repaired, definitely. And so I will be sharing that with you. I've got a country magazine that is interested in my canning products. I was in a contest with them probably, it's been about 5 years ago. And so my canning line was mentioned at that time, and it was something that I did place well in. So I got an email from them and then a call saying that they would be getting with me. I'm not sure what all is going to be involved in that. We'll find out more about that later. But I've got that coming up, and it's that time again, the time for seeding plants. I'll be getting into that pretty soon. Probably within the next couple of weeks, I'll start seeding plants, getting ready for garden time. So a lot of my videos will show, the process of seeding plants, transplanting plants, planting your plants, taking care of them, harvesting, and then preserving. And so that's my favorite part. I love canning time. And for me, really, I do canning all year long. But, of course, during the summer months, I do a lot more canning. A lot of my household products, hygiene products, and of course my canning stuff. And then I do a lot of baking as well. But I'll do a lot of it for Cole's Plant Farm. I have a lot of my stuff there. And so I'm busy keeping it stocked up. My friend Carol owns it. She does farmsteading as well. She has her own greenhouse and little country store. She's fixing to actually completely renovate that whole area. It'll be really, really nice. I can't wait because I'll have all of my stuff in one area. And right now I've got it in different places in her little store, but I'll be going out and I'm talking with her and introducing her to you guys. So keeping that stocked, keeping myself stocked, I'm doing my videos, getting ready for gardening time, and just my everyday taking care of animals and just everything that I do keeps me busy. But I will be sharing that with you on my videos on Wednesdays. Come out and hang with me every week. And like I said, the videos on Saturdays will be about memories from the past. I'm really excited about that series and just ready for 2026. So guys, if you enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and put it in the comments. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to have another video. And so guys, I will see you on Wednesday at 4 p.m. for an episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. And then on Saturdays at 10 a.m. for Memories and Stories of the Past. So may God bless you and happy trails.